Hi there, Martin here. Thank you for joining me. I hope you are all well. Natalja and I have been back from the US now for just over a week, and it's great to be back, but we have come back to a huge amount of work and admin that needs to be done. Needless to say, we are working our way through that as quickly and as hard as we possibly can. The America trip was Natalja's first, and she had an absolute ball, and I think has fallen just a little bit in love with the USA. For me, it was my third visit over for work and woodturning, and I'd like to say a very big thank you to everybody who came by the Wood World of Texas booth at the SWAT event in Waco, made a purchase, or hung around to enjoy one of the demonstrations I was doing using the Hampshire Sheen range of products. Whilst we were back in Dallas after the event, we had a couple of days off, and then we hosted 3 days worth of lessons over there, which were absolutely brilliant. I learnt a lot about how wood turning and stuff works in the US, and I hope those students who came to the lessons enjoyed themselves and learnt a little bit as well. Big thank you to Craig and the staff at Wood World of Texas for looking after Natalja and I so well. We felt thoroughly spoiled. So thank you very much indeed, Craig and the gang. After that, Natalja and I headed down to Houston for a little bit of time spent with Rebecca DeGroot, where she hosted a remote demonstration for my wood turning club, Woodturning 360. Here is a little retrospective of what we got up to at SWAT and the lessons and Houston as well. Thanks for watching. I'll catch up with you soon. Bye for now. Today is the 23rd of August, so it's our first full day in the US, and I'm here at the Wood World of Texas store in Dallas, where we've been getting the truck sorted out, and I've been cutting some blanks to demonstrate with. Let's just take a quick look around the store. So it's got everything you could possibly want really for turning and also general woodwork. It's an Aladdin's cave really, or some people might say it's more akin to a toy shop. There's Hampshire Sheen and stuff over there on the left, and then down here there's turning kits and acrylic blanks and all sorts of accessories and other fun bits and pieces like that. And of course, being Wood World, there is a lot of wood too. So just walking around into sort of the main timber room, loads of timber, and the machine shop in here. And these are the blanks that I've been cutting this morning. So we've got some ash blanks there, as well as some absolutely stunning curly maple. I always love coming to the States. Not that I come particularly often, but I've loved coming last year and this year. Not least because of the people, but also the wood that we can demonstrate with is absolutely first class. So we better get that lot into the truck and make our way down to Waco. Good to be in Waco. It's just approaching 5 p.m, so it's time to go and have a couple of beers and some dinner before we set up for the SWAT show tomorrow. Mid-afternoon on Thursday, and the stall here is pretty much set up, all ready for tomorrow. So there's just a few little finishing touches left before we head back to the hotel for perhaps an afternoon siesta, and then out for dinner and a couple of drinks at the bar afterwards. Here are the blanks that I cut yesterday, and I can't wait to turn this maple. It's going to be fantastic. Oh, lovely stuff. Natalja here has been an absolute star today, getting most of the shelving looking as nice as it does at the minute, and hopefully by the end of the weekend there'll be very little of the stock left. Day one of the SWAT event, and it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Registration's open. Right, here we are. We are just about to go in. There we go. So it's all busy this morning. Oh, sorry, thank you. Lots of people around this morning. It's still early. I can't remember what time the demonstrations start, but trade is starting to kick off. There's Carl Jacobson over there, and I've seen Cindy and a bunch of other people as well, which has been really good. Here we are in the main sort of trade area. There'll be more people here later. And here's our booth all set up. A few customers around already, which is nice. And there we are. Natalja's going to be around somewhere. There she is over there. Are still in the US, Natalja and I, and we have dropped down from Dallas to Houston, where we are going to be spending most of the day with Rebecca de Groot. She's going to be doing a demonstration for my Woodturning 360 Club at 1 p.m. Central Time, which will be 7 p.m. UK time and 8 p.m. Europe. Yeah. So if you have any questions for Rebecca, ask them now, because we've only got a few minutes left before we end the meeting. But that was a superb demonstration. Thank you.
Thank you. And if you have any other questions after we end, I'm on Instagram as Rebecca_DeGroot.
And there we have it. Thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope you enjoyed our little retrospective of our trip to the US recently. Once again, a big thank you to everybody who came by the booth at SWAT, made a purchase, enjoyed a demonstration, and those who came and attended one of the lessons back in Dallas. And finally, once again, a big thank you to Craig and everybody at Woodworld of Texas for making us so welcome and looking after us so well whilst we were there. We really appreciate it. I hope to see you all again at SWAT next year. Watch this space. We'll let you know in the next few months. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Many thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting and informative. Down here are a few videos I think you may find of interest, and if you click just down here you'll be able to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so just yet. But that's it for now. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.